Alright, YouTube, welcome back. This will be the first official video that I will do for you guys with my channel again. Feels good to be back making videos. So we're gonna go with Trunks the Fighting Team versus Vegeta. No, we'll do Super Vegeta. That iconic fight, but with different clothes. Let me know what you guys think of how these videos come out. I really do care. Your input does help. I am making this with my phone instead of my camera. Because I don't have my camera, if you guys saw the update video that I put out.
I'll show you just how strong your training's made me. Huh. See how you do against Super Vegeta.
And I feel like this phone does better than my camera did. In terms of brightness, anyway. And seeing. In terms of seeing how things come out. Because it looks normal. Oh, crap. Woohoo! I mean, to be perfectly honest, I'm not even watching my TV. I'm watching the screen on the phone. Oh no. Father! Anyway. So I have not really been making videos because I have been just extremely busy with my classes. Oh no. I'm graduating high school this year, and actually a few months. I have the rest of this month and a couple days in June, and then I graduate from high school, and I get to move on to college and stuff like that. I'll still be making videos for you guys and whatnot. I can see starting my TV. It's okay. Fix that for the next video. I'm gonna see if I can fix that now, actually. Just turn it a little. You guys might see like snips of my TV right now because I'm trying to fix the camera. You guys know how I do. Dealing through this crap last time. Nothing's changed. Still fixing my camera as I go. Anyway. Don't know if that helped it or hurt it. I don't know. We'll do one more fight. We'll do it with my personal favorites. Go on. We'll go against Super Saiyan 2 Goku. And we will go Elder Kai. It's the Grand Conflict of the Kai. See, I can't even speak right now. Because I also have like a killer headache.
Careful, I'm a Super Saiyan 2 now. Give me your best shot.
Let's do it then.
Let's go, Dad.
We will defeat a Goku. Ah, crap, I forgot I did that. Forgot I did that for my Super Saiyan 2s. I gave them the high attention start. The sons must defeat their fathers. That's what this fighting. That's what this episode is about. Sons defeating their fathers. Just to keep things even, we'll go Super Saiyan 2.
What do you want to do now?
Oh crap! Oh no! It'd be so cool if Goku was my dad, though. I would be okay with that. I'd be okay with getting hit, because that would mean I'm half Saiyan. Crap, I'm getting beat down. Time to fix that. Ah, crap, you blocked it. You go nowhere. I think. I'm shaking this dang thing. Hold on.
Here I go.
Holy crap.
I'll give you a fight.
That was so close. I was trying to move and I just quickly vanished behind him.
Here I come.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Super explosive cannon. How are you still alive? He's holding on with an inch left. Goku fights to the bitter end.
I'll give you a fight.
Let's see if we can get him with this. Ah, he blocked it, but I still got him.
I'm pretty strong too, you know.
Anyway, so I'm gonna just say this is gonna be the end of the first video, just because I want to go back to doing the actual gameplay I was doing for you guys, which is Star Wars and Lego Marvel Avengers. But expect more videos to come soon, and you guys have a fantastic day.